All right, so this is Cycle Kit 7 Part 1 demo. Right, I'm just going to go through all of the banks here real quick and just give you a demo. Each kit is going to have like royalty-free loops included. You're going to get drums, which are going to be white. Snares are going to be in the purple. Blue are going to be your hats. Yellows are normally like any sound, like an open hat or something mixed with an open hat. And brown is going to be some kind of percussion. All right, so here we have this loop here. You know what I mean? So let's go to the next. So now remember, the red pad is always the loop, right? And sometimes I include more than one loop in a particular program. So and I made sure that the drums match the loops or whatever. And I also included rolls, and these rolls are time based, like meaning whatever, or tempo based, whatever tempo you put it on, it'll match the tempo. All right, and that goes for your sample as well. So you can change the all right. Okay, so let's go to the next. So this right here is a program 3. So, and this, if you notice, we have 3 red pads. That means that we have 3, royalty-free loops. So. All right, so okay. Alright, so let's demo the next one. That's almost sound like some Kanye West type stuff, almost. You know what I mean? And if you so here, you notice you have another 3 royalty loops. Remember, they're always in the red. Let's turn that one up. That's a little low. to the next one. And again, here you see on us on kit 6, we have 3 more loops here. Alright, so this is the last program.